tao hap ran high mong sky bar with bet the mong mui tao Hoi chung bang cha also mean a hotel like a
Nhiều ai ta hạt ran mà một rất là hot rồi mà một chụp hói mà xem chỉ miền Cam một thi ấy mình chụp ảnh tới cày thì miền Ca tập tay khuôn miền Ca riêng cho make up oi mà sát hết.
How's everybody doing today? Just when I was about to get my workout in, the manager came over and he invited me because he wanted to show me the new Trump Fitness building on road 271. So stay tuned, guys. So they have an escalator.
They put the chimney in Cambodia.
And this cafe mint smoke now?
Maybe smooth coffee or brown coffee.
From coffee, smooth coffee? Okay. This is, we're gonna put the car, the showroom for the cars that you want to purchase.
It can move around here.
And then the floor is, the car can just rotate.
Each customer can sit here, relax.
Yeah. So this is gonna be the patio. They're gonna have tables and chairs. So this is the new Trump Fitness Center?
The biggest Trump center.
Wow. So this is the before. You guys are seeing it first time. It's gonna be the biggest Trump Fitness Center. That's the lobby over here. And I can't wait to show you guys when it's complete. It's gonna look amazing with the city view. So Bong, you said it's gonna have 2 levels. The square footage the same as this one?
The same.
And then we're gonna have snooker, UFC, ping pong. Wow.
Everything here. Full option. Swimming pool, steam, sauna,
ice bath.
Ice bag.
Wow.
When you become our membership, you can come and visit all our Trump center.
So one membership can activate all the gyms.
All the gyms. Yeah.
Wow.
Even in Kupong South, you also go to Trump Kupong South.
Okay. This is going to be the future yoga room.
And then you can relax.
And this is gonna be the patio?
Yes, you can relax, sit and drink here.
Wow. Obviously in America, I would not be allowed to walk. And I imagine we would have safety rails here, even though it's under construction, so we don't fall. So Bong, this yoga room, how long will it take to complete?
1 week you'll finish.
How many?
1 week.
1 week. Okay guys, in 1 week today, this will be completed.
Because Trump Fitness customer are waiting for this center.
This is gonna be the spinning room, so if you guys like cycling, look how big this place is. In square footage, I would have to say 4,000 square footage, maybe 5. I'm not sure, but that's how big this room is. And hey, Bob, is this gonna be completed in 1 week too?
The same. The worker they try to construct day and night time. What did you think about the gym in Cambodia and Thailand?
Okay, so I thought Thailand had the best gym, but after seeing Trump Fitness, there's no comparison, Bob. The size, the size of the gym, even if it's just 1 level, it's already big, bigger than anything I've seen in Thailand. Okay, but you have 2 levels.
1 more level.
So 3 levels.
Yeah.
Wow, 3 levels. Taking us up to the 3rd level now. This space is so huge. This will be the best gym in probably the world that you will ever see here in Cambodia.
Of Trump Fitness.
Okay, Bong, về facility ní to hire or hire employee Bong trong hire ប្រមាណ
នៅទីតាំងនេះយើងអាច ជួយសិស្សនិស្សិតប្រជាជនដែលគាត់អត់ទាន់មានសមត្ថភាពធ្វើការអាចចំនួន200កន្លែងការងារ
បាទ
ជាពិសេសគាត់អាចមានឱកាសក្នុងការអភិវឌ្ឍខ្លួនអត់មានជំនាញខ្លាយទៅជាបុគ្គលដែលមានជំនាញហើយមានប្រាក់ចំណូលសមរម្យដើម្បីយកទៅគ្រប់គ្រងការសិក្សារៀនសូត្រហើយនឹងជួយទៅគ្រួសារវិញ
បាទបាទ wow
នេះគឺជាគោលបំណងរបស់ Tram Fitness
wow I love it បង so បង this area is going to be the beauty salon
Yeah beauty salon កន្លែង salon
ព្រោះចឹងអា idea ពីនេះមកពីបងខ្ញុំឲ្យពេលយើងទៅហាត់ប្រាណ or ពេលយើងមាន like so you have to go somewhere after
Yeah
like
ពេលមានកម្មវិធីអីមិនបាច់ទៅផ្ទះវិញក៏បានយកតែខោអាវមកកក់សក់តែងខ្លួនរៀបចំខ្លួនចេញទៅកម្មវិធីយកតែម្ដង
okay
ខ្ញុំចូលថាចេះនៅសកកាំងខ្ញុំមកដាក់ខ្លួនអា gym អា space ធំជាងមួយ so wow like ខ្ញុំមកមានអារម្មណ៍ថាខ្ញុំចង់និយាយអីទេមកពីខ្ញុំឃើញfloor មួយធំមកព្រោះចឹង Trump Fitness មាន3
ហើយច្រើនទីតាំងហើយសត្វតែអាគារខ្លួនឯងអត់មានជួលគេទាំងអស់
wow
ហើយអាគារមួយយើងអាចផ្ដល់ឱកាសការងារឲ្យបុគ្គលិករាប់ពាន់នាក់ក្រុមហ៊ុននេះប៉ុតសម្ព័ន្ធនេះក្រុមហ៊ុនបុគ្គលិកអាចចូលទៅដល់ 2000 នាក់
wow
យើងអាចជួយជីវភាពជាពលរដ្ឋយើងក្នុងមួយផ្នែកក្នុងសេដ្ឋកិច្ចមួយរបស់រដ្ឋាភិបាលបាន
okay ខ្ញុំចង់ថាចេះពេលខ្ញុំមើលខ្មែរ so many opportunities but ខ្មែរយើងធ្វើទៅ Trump Fitness our area auto like you develop the city you know you set the standard
ជួយអភិវឌ្ឍប្រទេសយើង
បាទ
មកពីតាមដែលយើងអាចធ្វើទៅបាន
ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងបើប្រទេសយើងស្អាត
ទៅថាមានភ្ញៀវទេសចរទំនុកចិត្តមកកាន់តែច្រើន
ហ្នឹងហើយ
ប្រទេសកម្ពុជាគឺជាប្រទេសដែលមានអរិយធម៌រុងរឿងវប្បធម៌ល្អដល់ផងប្រជាជនប្រកបដោយក្រមសីលធម៌វិជ្ជាជីវៈ
បាទ
ស្វាគមន៍ភ្ញៀវទេសចរអន្តរជាតិទូទាំងពិភពលោក
wow okay wow
gotta be careful with these steps so right here's gonna be the swimming pool and then you said this is gonna be the sky bar
and here the sky bar the people can sit and see the view around the building
wow and Bong do you know the hours are it's gonna be open
around next 2 months for the sky bar
no the pay the gym open like what time you can go to work out what time it close
ម៉ោង 6 ព្រឹកអាចមកហាត់ប្រាណរហូតដល់ម៉ោង 9 យប់ហាត់ប្រាណហត់អស់កម្លាំងអាចឡើងមកសម្រាកនៅ Sky Bar ពេលនៅ Sky Bar ពេលហូបប៊ីយ៉ាឬក៏ហូបអីហើយស្វឹងអត់ចង់ទៅណាមានសណ្ឋាគារគេងប្រកបដោយផាសុកភាពនិងទំនុកចិត្ត
បងខ្ញុំចូលសួរ one more question
បងថាពេលយើងទៅហាត់ប្រាណហើយមក Sky Bar វាម៉ោង 1 ទៅហ៎ព្រោះចឹងបងថា also មាន hotel ឲ្យគេ
ខ្ញុំអាចទៅហាត់ប្រាណនៅម៉ោង 6 ព្រឹករហូតដល់ម៉ោង 9 យប់ហើយបើសិនជាមានកម្មវិធីអីមិនចាំបាច់ទៅក្រៅទេមានការតុបតែងខ្លួនមានការរៀបចំ make up ឲ្យមកស្អាតហើយអាចឡើងមកញ៉ាំអីនៅ Sky Bar ពេលឡើងមក Sky Bar ហើយបើមានអារម្មណ៍ថាស្វឹងផឹកគ្រឿងស្វឹងហើយមិនចង់ទៅផ្ទះវិញមានសណ្ឋាគារគេប្រកបដោយផាសុកភាព
ចុះខ្ញុំចូលសួរអា condo នេះអស់ប្រហែលមួយមានលក់ condo ឲ្យយើង
មានទាំង condo លក់មានទាំងជួល condo
អូខេតម្លៃដឹងនៅ
តម្លៃគឺល្អប្រសើរនៅកណ្ដាលទីក្រុងនៃបេះដូងរាជធានីភ្នំពេញតម្លៃលេខ 1 ល្អ
wow so Bong you're telling me 1 week from today it's going to be clean
we will clean everything
it's gonna look very polished right
yes because here is our main location that's why we must hurry to service our customer